Hello and welcome to BSL Club. This is the place where you can learn British Sign Language and become deaf aware. Today's video is all about places and cities in the UK. Are you ready? Britain. So 2 hands out and press down. Britain. One more time. Okay. The sign for UK, United Kingdom, you can just sign UK, and that's fine. And again, UK. If you're not familiar with BSL alphabet, I'll put a card up below so that you can practice and learn how to sign the alphabet in BSL. One more time. Now, the sign for Scotland. Think about bagpipes, someone holding their bagpipes, Scotland. And again, the sign for Wales. If you think about the Welsh flag with the 3 feathers that kind of go out, you'll see it kind of goes like that. So, Wales. And again, sign for England. So you have your 2 pointing fingers, one over your right one over your left one if you are right-handed. If you are left-handed, then it will be the opposite way around. Okay? So I'm going to sign right-handed, England. So just move that right hand over your left hand like this. Okay? England. And for this, I want you to think about the St. George's flag. It's got the white background with the red cross on it, England. The sign for Northern Ireland, first Northern Ireland. So your left hand should be out and flat, and your right hand, 2 fingers on the left hand, Northern Ireland. And again. So the sign for London. So think of London as being noisy. So this is quite easy. London. And again, London. One more time. The sign for Edinburgh is finger spelling EDH. So you're going to make your finger spelling flow. Okay? So Edinburgh. Don't forget to say with your lips. So let's try that one more time. Okay. So the sign for Glasgow is GW. Some people should sign GG or Glasgow, but I will teach you the sign I know. Glasgow. And again. Now, there are multiple signs for the same cities in BSL. Don't forget, BSL is a language that has developed over time, and naturally there are differences in the signs for different things depending on the area in which you live. This is known as regional variation. So because I'm based in London and the South East, the majority of my signs are going to be London and South Eastern signs. If you're based in the North East of the country, that will look slightly different, or in the Southwest, for example. So learn as many of the regional variations as you can, and use the signs that your deaf friends use. That way there's less confusion. Okay, so the sign for Glasgow we said was GW, Glasgow. Okay. The sign for Belfast is similar to Britain. So, and again, but you will say Belfast with your lips as opposed to Britain. The sign for Cardiff. So if you make a flat open hand with your left hand and make a C shape with your right hand and sort of bounce it on top, Cardiff. A bit like the sign for charity. Okay? Cardiff. And again, some people sign Cardiff as in CF. That's okay too. But I'll teach you the sign I know. sign for Bristol. Again, you can sign BL for Bristol, Bristol, and again. Some people sign Bristol. Another one that I know is Bristol. Okay. These are all regional variations of the sign for Bristol. But I think probably the easiest one if you're just starting to learn BSL is BL, Bristol. The sign for Birmingham is BHAM. And again, it's another finger spelling one that you really need to sign to make those finger spellings flow. So rather than BHAM, you want to make it a little bit quicker, Birmingham. So I hope you can see how my signs flow and kind of link together to create one sign, Birmingham. One more time. Fantastic, well done. Now you have learnt the signs for the major countries and cities in the United Kingdom. If you'd like to learn more cities, more signs for more cities or places in the UK, why don't you comment down below and tell me which ones you'd like to learn, and I'll do a follow-up video. For more BSL signs and deaf awareness videos, please subscribe down below. Okay, until next time, bye-bye.